Kiss. Bye. Abo.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, meron akong bagong earbuds.
Yay! Pakita mo anak ang earbuds mo. It's a ANC noise reduction. Kasi nasira ni Dominic ang earbuds ng kanyang ate. Tapos binili ni Daddy si ate ng bagong AirPods. Tapos si Totoy naman ay nainggit sa ate. So, binili rin siya ni Daddy ng bagong AirPods. So, today, mag-unboxing si Dominic. Yay!
Unboxing ko na?
Yes, you can start unboxing now. Do you know how to do unboxing, anak?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Wow! Brand new AirPods for Totoy Pogi. And how do you open that? Do you want to call ate? Wow! Marunong ang anak ko mag-unboxing. Wow! And show it to the camera, anak. So, show it. Hindi kita. Show it, anak. Show. Wow! Ganda! Wow! Ayan na siya. Para siyang Apple AirPods. Oh,
Ang haba po, guys.
yes. Oh, tell them what's written there. What is written there? Can you read?
No.
What no?
Hindi ko alam mag-read.
You read it out loud. Read it now.
Hindi ko alam.
Why you don't know?
Pero makita ko lang.
Oh, okay.
Ay, dito.
Okay. Ayan yung instruction manual. Very good, Dom. And then, you open your, your AirPods. Do you want me to call ate to help you? And then, how do you open that? It comes with a charger, right? Ano yung charger niya? C-type or flash? Patingin.
Wait. Ito.
Ayan.
Wait lang. Ako nakakalubog ko taga-unboxing.
Ay, oo nga. Ikaw pala taga-unboxing. Sorry na.
It's okay.
Oh, you have to handle it with care because it's your AirPods. No, you have to take care of it.
Samsung.
Let me see. No, it's C-type charger.
Samsung charger.
Ito oh, C-type. Oh,
Samsung
you don't throw
charger.
this. This is not eatable, ha?
What
Let
is
me see this.
For the
Ano to?
AirPods.
No, silicone gel. Para hindi mag-moist yung box. So, put it back. Yung silica. Lagay mo dito, anak.
Dito nakalagay.
Dito, lagay mo dito. Ito yung charger niya. Oh, C-type siya.
Ano ba AirPods ko to?
Yung nga. Oh, you open the AirPods. Yan yung charger yan.
Kapit ko na charger po.
Oo. Yeah, so nice. And then, you show the AirPods.
Wait, guys.
You haven't opened it yet, no?
Wait, guys.
Okay. How can they see what's inside? You haven't opened it yet. Okay. Jaren! What's that, anak?
AirPod.
For who?
Me.
For Dominic. Yay! Wow! It's pre-charged. See, there's a color green. It means it's battery. It has battery already. You can use it. And then Daddy said, you can connect it into device. So, if it's already connected to my device, it can also be connected to Dominic's device. So, yun. I do not know how to call that. Pero Daddy said, can connect with two devices all at the same time.
Naka.
Ayan. Oh, wow. Show it, anak.
AirPods ko to.
Okay. Oh, you put it on. You put it on. Wow. Ba't may ganon? May kulay yellow. What's that color?
Sisira mo.
No, it's not.
Ano kaya ito ba yan? Ay, yun yung pandikit.
Teka, tawagin ko sa ate Diana.
Why?
P, can you, check the, AirPod of Totoy Pogi? Bakit may yellow yon,
Kasi pag di mo tinanggal yun, hindi yan mag-charge.
Ah, Totoy. It will not charge if you will not remove the plastic. So, you have to remove the plastic.
Okay.
Tapos dito, sa ilalim, pwede mo siyang baltan ng size. Eh, maliit pa tenga nito, tayo ay natanggal.
Oh, you can change the
Kaya
size,
pwede mo
Totoy.
tanggal. Pwede mo ganyan talaga yan, Toy. Pwede mo palitan ng extra small. Kasi yan, medium yan eh.
Ah.
Tapos sa ilalim, pag tinanggal mo to, ito yung lanyard.
Ah, yung yung pang
Yan,
hawak.
Toy, kabit ko.
May kakabit ni ate. Yung pala yun, yung pang hawak.
Ate, wait lang. Hindi ko na kailangan.
Eh, kailangan yan. Yung akin na,
Pag
kailangan
nalabas,
eh.
para pag nalabas ka,
Isasabit mo lang dito sa arms mo.
Pag nalabas lang, pwede ba tanggal agad?
Eh, mas maganda may gano'n, huwag mo na tanggalin.
Kaya tanggal itong plastic?
oh.
Oo, kasi it will not charge if you will not remove the
Tapos doon sa
plastic.
gilid, akin na, Toy. Maning.
Give it to ate. Because ate already opened hers yesterday. You give it to ate.
They rip off the plastic.
Yes, rip off the plastic.
Ay, bro.
Oh.
Sinira ko plastic.
Wala pa siya yung sa pangtenga, Bino.
Hmm?
Yung plastic. Wala pa. Oh, palagyan mo sa ate mo yan.
Pag nalaglag
Pa-try
to,
nga.
Guys, pag nalaglag to, natalbog siya.
Oh, eh, wag mo na italbog.
Asa na yung tablet? Kukonect ko.
Alin?
Tablet niya, kukonect ko.
Tablet ni Totoy po.
Akin, Toy, kukonect ko.
Eh.
connect nga eh. You connect it to Totoy Pogi's tablet.
Akin na, Toy. Toy, akin na.
Wait, tinatanggalin mo plastic. Ano to, apple? Apple nga.
Hindi, orange.
Apple siya!
Apple. Sige.
Hindi, mangga. Hindi pa game.
Hindi pa. Dapat i-connect pa. Ibigay mo
Akin
kay
na
ate.
muna. Give it to me.
Wait lang.
Akin na.
Bigay mo na.
Sirain!
Bakit naman sisirain?
Parang sinira ko dati.
Hindi yan sisirain ni ate.
Yung pangalan ng ano na to.
What is the
Wag!
name?
Huwag mo lagay sa tenga mo!
Paano ko connect?
Dito ko lalagay sa tenga ko, Mig!
Arte mo.
Ang arte naman ni Totoy.
Merong... Ayan, tuloy. Meron na loga.
Ikaw nga, di ka nag-aano ng tenga mo.
Ayan, naka na.
O, hayaan mo na nga.
Wala ka, ikaw na.
Kasi, you need to change that to a smaller size because your ear is very small. You ask ate for help.
What the hell?
And say sorry.
Sorry, ate.
Kaartehan mo kasi.
Tinutulungan ka na nga. Iko-connect eh.
Akin na, bilis.
Connect
Loga
mo
na
na.
tuloy.
O, next time, bilang kita tutulungan.
Ayan, naka na tokwa.
Paano nga ba ito tanggalin?
Huwag mo.
Ba? Mami, ikaw nga magtanggal.
Baka masira pa.
Oh, that's the end of the vlog. We will ask Daddy to help Dominic to change the rubber because the rubber needs to be changed. Because Dominic's ear is very small. Oh, show them how it looks like, the rubber. Oh, this is the rubber that has to be changed.
And this is the rubber to be changed.
Yes. Now,
Bye-bye, vlog.
see you next time. Ate, you say bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Kiss. Bye. Abo.
Bye.
Bye.